Welcome to Review Lab. The best boat dock rollers is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of equipment for any boat owner, simplifying the process of launching and retrieving your vessel from the water with unparalleled ease and efficiency, ensuring that your time on the lake or river is spent enjoying the experience rather than struggling with cumbersome loading procedures, ultimately protecting both your boat and your dock from potential damage. Number 5. C.E. Smith 5 Keel Roller Bracket Assembly. This boating accessory is built to last. It features a sturdy roller shaft and a hot-dipped galvanized bracket for maximum strength and durability. Designed to work seamlessly with 5-inch rollers, this bracket ensures a perfect fit for your boat's hull. It's ready for mounting with 1 2-inch or 7 16-inch fasteners. The adjustable mounting slots allow for precise positioning. You can easily adjust it to best fit the unique shape of your boat's hull. Get back on the water faster. This roller bracket comes pre-assembled, making installation quick and hassle-free, saving you valuable time. Trust in C.E. Smith for quality marine products. We are dedicated to providing excellent trailer and fishing accessories with reliable customer support. What we like. This roller offers a sturdy, galvanized bracket with adjustable mounting slots for a perfect fit. It comes pre-assembled for easy installation. If you have a specific hull shape or need a secure, adaptable mounting solution, this is the one for you. What people say. I used this roller bracket to support and protect the bow of a 3-seater Sea-Doo that was bouncing against the trailer frame when driving it on the trailer. Now I can run the Sea-Doo right up on the trailer without any worries. The roller itself was made out of a medium soft rubber which felt about perfect to me, not too hard and not too soft. I am using this roller to guide my kayak to the top of my town and country van without damaging the back of the car and rooftop. Number 4. Tailor-Made Products Dock Pro Boat Wheels. Introducing the Dock Pro Boat Wheels from Tailor-Made Products. Experience smooth rolling that provides substantial cushioning for your dock. These wheels feature molded-in valves, allowing you to easily adjust the level of firmness to your specific needs. Equipped with heavy-duty, hot-dipped galvanized hardware, they mount securely to your dock, ensuring stability and longevity. The 12 and 18-inch models utilize a large 2-inch diameter axle housing. This design provides maximum strength for demanding use. Please note that the brackets and wheels are designed for specific configurations and are not interchangeable. What we like. These inflatable dock wheels offer adjustable firmness for substantial dock cushioning. They feature secure, heavy-duty galvanized hardware. If you're looking for a customizable cushioning solution that protects your boat from dock impact, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The ball performed as advertised. This device is a godsend, gives that extra peace of mind that I'm not going to scar up my hull when the conditions are less than ideal. These tailor-made dock boat wheels made it so easy to drive onto the lift because of the wheel and how it rolls you right into position. They really help when the water is rough. Number 3. Dutton-Lainson Galvanized Roller Bunk, 6387. Introducing the Dutton-Lainson Galvanized Roller Bunk, designed to make launching and retrieving your boat a breeze. Its 30 non-marking rollers ensure a smooth glide every time. Crafted from robust 12-gauge galvanized steel, these bunks are built to last. They offer marine-grade construction for reliable performance in harsh conditions. This set includes a complete pair of 4-foot roller bunks, providing ample support for your vessel. Installation is quick and easy for any boat owner. With non-marking rubber rollers, these bunks distribute weight evenly, protecting your boat's finish. They eliminate scratching and reduce loading effort. Experience superior gliding action compared to traditional bunks. The 30-roller system ensures smooth operation, making solo launching possible. Engineered for frequent use in tough marine environments, these parts are corrosion resistant. They function perfectly as boat lift parts or standard trailer bunks. What we like. This system boasts 30 non-marking rollers on heavy-duty galvanized steel bunks, providing a complete 4-foot pair. If you frequently launch and retrieve your boat and want to minimize hull friction and wear, this roller bunk system is ideal for effortless operation. What people say. These work great, roll easy, and seem durable. Major improvement over the Caped bunks I had. They're much heavier than what they look like, definitely not flimsy. I used them on a modified utility trailer to carry a Pelican Base Raider 10E base boat. As a matter of fact, today I went to the lake and these two old guys were impressed how the rollers allowed me to recover the boat by myself in just 3 minutes. The carpet on the old bunks would dry right on the boat and make it impossible to float the boat off at shallow ramps. These remove the fight and the wheels seem to be holding up just fine. In the beginning I doubted them, but not a single one shows wear. Should have bought them sooner. Number 2. Tailor-made 14 black dock post wheel. Keep your boat safe with our innovative dock wheels. They provide a protective barrier, preventing any damage from the dock. Built with tough, marine-grade vinyl, this wheel is designed to last. It can handle the rigors of docking in harsh marine conditions. Boaters trust this wheel for its long-lasting performance. It ensures your vessel stays protected through many boating seasons. Crafted in the USA, you can depend on the superior quality and performance. We've set the standard for over 100 years. Experienced top-tier engineering designed specifically for the marine industry. Every detail is crafted for maximum quality and reliability. Invest in peace of mind with our dock wheels. They offer the ultimate defense against dock-related damage, ensuring your boat remains pristine. What we like. Offering full boat protection, this dock wheel is constructed from durable marine-grade vinyl and is made in the USA. If you prioritize protecting your vessel's topsides from scuffing and damage while fending it away from the dock, this is a reliable option. What people say. It's true to measurements advertised and seems up to doing the job. Fits 1.5 to 2 foot pole, easy to install, value for money. Durability. Stops you from hitting dock pole when pulling into dock spot and from other boat from hitting your pontoon boat. Works as advertised. Replacement came quickly. Keeps boat away from poles and floats as water level changes. Number 1. Tailor-made Products Dock Roller Wheel 24. Introducing the ultimate dock roller wheel from Tailor-Made Products. It's designed for durability and ease of use. Say goodbye to flats and constant inflation. This wheel is puncture resistant and requires no air, offering true maintenance-free operation. Crafted from UV-stabilized polyethylene, it's built to withstand the elements and resist fading. This ensures long-lasting performance. Featuring pre-drilled drain holes, it allows for efficient water drainage. This helps prevent waterlogging and keeps it in optimal condition. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust in the quality and craftsmanship. It's a reliable addition to your dock setup. With a 24-inch diameter and an 8-inch tread width, it provides ample support and stability. It's perfectly sized for most dock applications. What we like. This large 24-inch diameter roller is puncture resistant, requires no air, and is completely maintenance-free. If you want a robust, worry-free solution for your dock that can handle significant wear and tear without any upkeep, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The rollers are made of durable material that withstands harsh weather conditions. The design allows for easy installation and adjustment, making the docking process smoother. These rollers effectively protect the boat hull from scratches and damage during docking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.